Well, I hope you guys are having a good evening. This is Ben with the DIY Homefront, and I've got a short video for you about the ignition switch on your lawnmower. Now I've got this one that's in my hand, and the key won't come out because it's rusted in there. If you leave your lawnmowers outside, eventually they're all going to get that way. And you would be surprised how easy it is just to swap out the ignition switch. I replaced one just the other day because I thought it might have water in it and it might be shorting out the battery. So let's take a look at that video real quick. So the first day I couldn't get it started. One of the things that I thought might be the problem was the ignition switch and key. So I ordered a new one. We might as well go ahead and put it in. Now, when I first started having this problem, I wasn't sure if this might have been it because it's in terrible shape. So I went ahead and ordered another one. 16 and some change from Amazon, and it came the next day. These are really easy to replace. Basically, you just unplug the old one and plug in a new one. One plugs and one plugs. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And it goes back in, clickety click. And now we've got a key that should fit in and turn it. Yep, that one's pretty boogered up. Well, I think one of two things happened. Either water got in here and shorted it out and it thought it was on and that drained the battery. Or it rained so hard that we ended up creating a little lake on top of the battery and that allowed the terminals to short out through the water. Well, that wasn't very hard at all. And I bought that one off of Amazon for like $16 and they shipped it out the next day. So if you got a mower that won't start or the ignition key is acting up, just swap it out. It's easy to do. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in that next video.